Right now, I'm going to show you the manual pickup reminder. So this is a really cool feature. It allows you to manually, you just tap a button and it'll automatically text the customer to say, hey, time to pick up your clothes in a nice way. And just as a reminder, our software reminds customers automatically by email or text to pick up their clothes when the clothes are completed after 7 days, after 14 days, after 21 days, and 30 days. But what if you just want to clear out your shelves and remind customers to pick up their clothes? You simply go to your attendant role, hit customer pickup, and you'll get to this screen right here. And then let's say we want to send this customer a text message. All you have to do is hit the drop down right over here, and you've got this nice new shiny green reminder button, and you tap that, and now a text message gets sent out to the customer to remind them to pick up their clothes. And say, like, we want to send this customer a reminder too. I could go ahead and hit reminder as well, and this customer will receive a text message to pick up their clothes. And sure enough, here's the text message. It says, this is a friendly reminder from Curbside Laundries that your order is ready for pickup. Your scheduled pickup date was blank. So it lets them know what their original scheduled pickup date was as well. But it doesn't say Curbside Laundries. It has the name of your laundromat, of course. All right, and just as a reminder, these red squares right over here, that means it's been sitting on our shelves for 8 days, and this one's been sitting on our shelves for 13 days. And so this is a great way to remind customers to pick up their clothes and help free up space. The final thing on here is you need to enable this feature. It is not by default. So you need to go ahead and choose the owner role. You need to go under maintenance, system configuration, and it's under laundry and dry cleaning. And you'll see there's a send pickup reminder. You need to make sure the checkbox is checked and then hit save, and you're done. And now you've got a really cool, nice new feature.